first thing you want to do is take the key ring off of the key, put the buttons facing down like this, and then there is a spot right here for a screwdriver to go into, and this is where you can pry. Basically, you want to twist the screwdriver, get it started like so. Make sure the other side is released too before you take it off. You want to make sure it's completely loose when you go to take it off with your hands so things don't fall out. So we can take that off. Now would be a good time to get all the pocket lint and clean it up a little bit. So we can take that cover, set it to the side. Now this is where the battery is, and it's a CR2032 battery. And you'll notice it has this little spring on that side. Basically, all you have to do is just pull up on it, usually with your fingers. Now you could use tweezers or something to pry up on it, but you just kind of lift it up like so. Get you a new battery. This one is defective. Put it in place and press down like so. So once it's in place, it'll stay there. It's not like it's secure 100%. It's actually this lid over here that secures it more. So what we do is take it, line this up like so. Make sure it's lined up properly before you start snapping it. There you go. Snap it, check it all the way around, make sure it's secure. Then you're all finished.